And so on your ribbon cables, you notice you're going to have two ribbon cables. One is going to be longer than the other one. So start with actually the short one here, and one end is going to go into the board, and then the other end is going to go right here. And so actually, if you look on the panel, you can actually see it says, where is it? Yeah, it's a little hard to see, but it says in right there, and over here it says out. So that's just, in case you forget, that's a visual cue. So basically we're going in, and then we're going to go out from here to the input at the bottom. So we'll go take the long cable. And these cables are notched, by the way. So if you look at it, there's a notch right here. So you cannot screw up and put them in the wrong way because of the notch. So one end here, and then let's put the other end over here. Actually, let's go this way. Okay. All right, so far so good. So